Welcome to Widyatama University. Widyatama University always innovates for better quality of education while constantly adapting to current development. Along with the curriculum and proper online learning facilities, there should not be any worries for your study to be held back. It is crucial to adapt in the recent digital era. Therefore, online and offline learning are being implemented at Widyatama University. Prioritizing on study effectiveness, our lecturers are being emphasized and focused towards an open discussion with the students. In this way, we could ensure that there is no one-way learning and two-way communication between the students and the lecturers. Widyatama University consists of 5 main faculties, namely Faculty of Economics and Business, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Cultural Studies, Faculty of Visual Communication Design, and Faculty of Social and Political Sciences. Widyatama students are prepared for critical thinking, open for discussion, and capable of becoming a problem solver in order to prepare themselves for the upcoming working environment in the industry. Apart from academic facilities, such as library and other supporting study tools, Widyatama University also provides other supporting facilities such as qualified student activity units. Ranking as 42nd best university in Indonesia, Widyatama University strongly believes that our graduates will excel anywhere in their future undertakings, either at national level or international level. Moreover, Widyatama University is ranked as the best private university in Bandung. Let's see as much knowledge as possible be devoted to the alma mater, nation, and the state. Apply your knowledge for the betterment of ourselves and society. Let's keep the spirit of innovation with Widyatama University. Keep implementing health protocol. Protect yourself and those around you.